Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily delete your page on your Facebook app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, do share this video with your friends and family, and yeah, let's dive into our video. So you will simply go to your Facebook first, and once your app is open, you will simply tap on this profile icon on top right corner, tap on it. If you see this flag icon on any of the profiles below, that means those are pages, or you can simply tap on this pages option below, tap on it, and here you can see all the pages that I have. So you will simply tap on the particular page that you would like to delete. Then you will see all these options given below your name, so you will just swipe and then you will find this more option, tap on it, and here you will just swipe down until you find an option called edit page on page control section. Tap on that edit page option, then you can simply tap on this option called settings, and then you will tap on this option called general. Then you will see this remove page option, and below you will see permanently delete. Then you will simply tap on that option, and here you can see this particular article will pop up and you will see this option called delete page. You will simply tap on that, and yeah, your page has been deleted. You can see this little to confirm. You will again go back to your profile, and then you will tap on this pages option, and then as you can see that particular page is not there anymore. So yeah, this is how you can delete your page from your Facebook, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.